Looking to unrestrict someone on the Messenger app? I can help. Unrestricting someone on Messenger allows them to chat with you normally again. Here's how to remove the restriction. First, open Messenger, tap the three-dot icon. Now click the gear icon. Scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. Under the Privacy section, tap Restricted Accounts. You'll see a list of people you've restricted. Tap on the name of the person you want to unrestrict. Select Unrestrict at the bottom of their profile. This will remove them from the list, and they will be able to contact you just like before. So, that's how easy it is to unrestrict someone on the Messenger app on Android. If you still have any questions regarding this topic, let me know in the comments. I'll try to reach out to you as soon as I can. And if this video did end up helping you, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.